This year I decided to paint a pumpkin instead of carving it. That way I can eat the pumpkin afterwards, make a yummy soup or dessert. First I started with a rough sketch so I know where to prime. After the primer is dry, you can still see some of the pencil marks showing through. So I sketched again, but this time carefully, trying to get it all portioned right. Be sure to check out the next video to see what I do with this painted pumpkin. It's going to make a really cool centerpiece. Thank you for watching.
Trying to wake up from a dream is harder than it seems. Birds are flying all around, some fall and hit the ground. This is where I should belong.